All right, chapter 6, we're going to be looking at the accounting settings found in the collapse menu, below service settings, above general, which is a subcategory of accounting settings. For the purposes of these videos, we're just going to cover general accounting settings. Again, most of this is probably configured, but just to explain a couple of things here, this is where you come to set which version of QuickBooks you have, if you do have a version of QuickBooks. If you do not, you would leave that unchecked and set it as not defined. If you're not defined and you're not linking up with QuickBooks, then you have some options here that you can set up. We have archive periods. This is the amount of time that we store invoice type data in DX1, how often they get purged. We also have some settings related to whether you want to post manufacturer incentives as AP credits. Same thing with major unit holdbacks, warranty claims. One of the biggest things is understanding how to get this all configured, which our team is most likely, again, already done for you. But to determine what type of accounting you do, we do have accounting center profit center accounting. But again, you want to check with your accountant, your owner, and somebody before you click this on if it's not clicked already to understand what the ramifications mean to your business in the system. So be very cautious with that box. And then if you're not linked up, you can set up AR customers in DX1. And by checking this box, what it allows it to do exactly as it say is let you set up a customer as AR, set an AR limit for them to actually process AR invoices within the system. None of that will link up to your accounting system in this case, but it's how you can manage it. If you do decide to use QuickBooks or QuickBooks Online, you'll have the selection. Again, our teams most likely help you set up all the accounting entries and whatnot. I would check that box, and then here again is where I could go decide what options I want to use. You do notice when QuickBooks or QuickBooks Online is selected and accounting setup is complete, you do not have the ability to set the AR limit in DX1 because that will be done in QuickBooks and then sync back to DX1. So again, just a little bit of understanding there. And again, now if you would decide, you could group your journal entry postings when you want. It's a question of how much detail you want to see within the process. And then you have a couple drop downs that just allow you to set a start month for a particular fiscal year, and again, deleted invoices after a certain amount of months. And these are invoices that are stored in history. So just make sure, not a lot here, probably nothing you would have to do here from the time implementation goes, but it's just a good thing to understand how the accounting setting page works.